Welcome everyone to another video of my tour of PA. If you guys remember, we are here riding at Mountain Ridge ATV Park. We just hit a blue trail, and right now I'm currently cruising down another blue trail to get to one of the black trails. I figured I was gonna jump right in it. And I must say, a lot of the black trails I've been on have been kind of disappointing. These black trails at Mountain Ridge were really fun. They were really rocky and technical, as you guys are gonna see here, and I had an absolute blast. So without further ado, we're going to jump into the black trails, and the next several videos will be pretty much nothing but all the black trails here at Mountain Ridge. And again, they are an absolute blast. If you guys haven't been there to ride on them, definitely check them out.
And remember last year at the cancer ride, this was so packed, there's so many here that, I mean, it was slow going. There's no way you could go this fast. That's one of the things that I dislike most about going to organized rides like that, is the sheer amount of people. But cancer ride, it was a good cause. I was happy to be a part of it. But it's much more enjoyable to be here and just rip on your own like this. You don't have to have the stop and go. I guess I'm not what you'd call a 530er. Ride for 5 minutes, stop for 30, and shoot the breeze. Well, maybe I am a 530er, but it's more of a different ride for 5 hours, break for 30 seconds maybe, or 30 minutes. Taking the hard. We're gonna check her out, see what she's like. This is Shamrock Hard. No whining, we're just gonna do it. Probably gonna be quite a bit of mud. Two sections of the Shamrock Hard, and we missed the first section and went flying by, and I think it was back there I stopped to check the map. I'm wondering if I shouldn't go into low range. Let's do that. Let's stop, go in low just to be on the safe side. It looks like there's some pretty steep hills. Tree's dead. Rutted hill climbs here. Not too bad. Good shape around. Good shape if that's all the worse it is, but who knows what lies ahead. Into some rocks now. Up we go, up we go. Oh, I see why it's hard. We got some rocks. Let's not split a sidewall. We'll go nice and easy. There we go. got some bigger rocks. I don't think we need diff lock yet for these guys. Pick our line as best as we can to suit the X4, like that. Alright, what we got up here? Straddle these guys. Easy does it, easy does it, easy does it. Hidden rock in there I didn't see. Oh, you know we're going to try that. Oh, there's a big rock. But let us go into diff lock. Oh, come on. There we go. Straddle that. Let's pop up on this guy like so. We're gonna straddle this as best as we can. We're gonna have to go into this though now. Oh yeah! Woo! Look at. All right, I'll wait. Fun little section. Quite enjoyable. Oh yeah, here we go. We're going to try to go right up over top. Oh, we made it over that part. Can we straddle that? Oh yeah, X4 performing well. Tell you what, this guy sure does impress me. Not without a little bit of hesitation because of them tires. Question. Oh, that was a hard bang. Which way does it go? I'm guessing this way. We're going to try to get right up over this big guy. Ooh, big drop, big drop, big drop. Double foot. Use them skid plates. Oh, yeah. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Oh yeah. I'm liking this, guys. Didn't get to do this stuff last year with Delisa. This is fun. Oh boy, here we go. Easy, easy, easy. Like that.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little taste of all the excitement yet to come. Trust me when I say that the other black trails I hit were not only as rocky and technical as this one was, but they get even worse. And so again, it was a blast. X4 once again super impressed me on this trip. Guys, keep in mind I am still running stock tires, no lift. The only modification I have is the Walker Evans shocks, which was a big help here. But other than that, bone stock machine, and I still handled that fine. And I always get a tickle out of passing people on trails like this in this X4 and people looking at me like, how in the world is he making it through there? That's just a testament to how good this machine is. So don't forget to like and subscribe before you guys leave. All that stuff you know we are going to ask you to do to help promote our channel on YouTube and help to grow Appalachian Mountain Riders audience. I appreciate every single like I get, every single sub I get, and every single comment I get. So don't forget to comment below on anything you've seen here or any questions you guys may have for me. Ask away. I'll do my best to answer them when I see them. I don't always see your comments right away, but I do try to get through them. Even old videos from years ago, I try to get through and see the new comments. Again, thanks for watching, guys. On the next one, we will continue the fun, the excitement, the adventure, and I hope you guys will join in on the fun. Till then, have fun, be safe, and keep on riding.